Today, we are going to tackle a new topic, that is career anxiety of the students. Whether you are a high schooler or whether you are a college going person or whether you are doing something new, you always have a anxiety in your lives. Always you are confused whether what to do, what not to do. So, this overwhelming topic that I'm very anxious, this is very killing for the students. That kills a career. So, you cannot do that. You should not be anxious about your career. You should be focused, you should be confirmed that yes, this is my career option and I will be doing successful in this particular area. Let's fight today to bring down this pressure out of your minds and let's begin the journey of pulling out anxiety from your minds and freshen up your brains so that you can start afresh. So let's hook into the video and listen till the end so that you can understand how to freshen up yourselves and start again your career afresh. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Just Try. Today here I am Dr. Anuradha Shaha in front of you to deal with your career anxiety and stress out your stressful feeling of anxiety, your career anxiety. Career anxiety is very natural. You do not know what's going to happen in your future. No one knows about it. So it cannot be that today you are only the one who is anxious about your career. It is not only you again who is working in that particular field. There are many people who are working in that field along with you in your same particular year. People are there who are starting their jobs in that particular area, and everyone is anxious about it. But why? Why are you anxious? You should not be anxious. You should think, yes, there is a point to think that yes, what will happen, whether this will be successful or not. But do not start doing tension on it. Do not be anxious. Just think over, look into possibilities. Today there is internet, today there is social media. Hook into it, look into people who know about details, go for career counselings and just get away from the career anxiety. Do not go into career anxiety. That can ruin your career if you are anxious about your career. But if you are cool about it and think, okay, fine, let's start with whatever I have, then you can pull into the next area, the next topic, that is what I am going to do in my near future and how to grow in my career so that I can win my life through this career. Today in this video, we will be covering the common causes of anxiety, especially career anxiety, and we will be talking about various methods and various steps to deal with this career anxiety. We will be talking about practical tips so that we can manage this career anxiety and how to be more positive and proactive mindset. So first, let us deal and understand with why we are anxious about at all. Why we are having this career anxiety. Let us understand that. Now, some common causes may include, first is a perfect career. Many students get confused to identify a proper career that will go with the family prestige, that will go with a high paying job, that will come with a more successful domain along with their parents or their family. So the family pressure is huge that many students are facing in today's world. Fear of failure. If I choose a particular area but do not succeed in this particular area, what is going to happen? What is the people going to say me? Am I going to lose my position in my society? Do my family going to face a lot of bad rumors around if I do not succeed in my life? These are the various fear that the people are having, the students are having in their minds when they choose their career. Uncertainty about future. Future is always uncertain, but does that mean that I will not be able to grow at all? Does that mean that I will also stay backward and will not progress myself in future? Obviously no. As the days move on, I will also be technologically savvy. I will also be more technologically sound. Let the technology develop. I will also develop myself as the technology develops. Then only I will be able to cope with my career, with my future. Career is always there in all areas, but yes, you have to develop yourself, you have to study in depth, you have to do regular researches in all particular areas. That is very important. Comparison of others, job of others, position in the society. Maybe one of your friend is doing good in his particular area. Now you start comparing yourself with that particular person and you feel that I cannot do anything good in my career. But maybe his area of his domain shows success earlier. Your area, your domain shows success later. Today or the day next, you will be successful also if you focus on your area. Do not compare yourself to others. That is not at all important. What is important for you is focusing on a overall a thing that what I can and what I will have to do. Do not try to focus on what others are doing. That will be a very poor thing to do. Academic pressure is another very important thing. Today's education system is very pressurized. But along with that, also, many people are succeeding, right? So, why give importance to everything? Yes, there will be school pressure, there will be academic project pressures, there will be job searching pressure, everything is there, fine. But let's understand how to balance them. Let's do time management properly. If I can do proper time management, if I can do proper counseling of my area of interest, if I can find out my passion area, then what's the big deal? What's the big problem in my understanding my area of interest, understanding my career? There is no issues in it. But yes, people get confused, people feel the pressure. But if you don't want to feel the pressure, you will not. Lack of self awareness. First, a person needs to understand your own particular strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. That is SWOT analysis, which many management students do. Now, that is a total management area topic, but I'll just give a hint over here. If you can identify your strength, your weakness, your opportunities, and what you do not like, that is, what is your threats, what you do not do, you cannot do, what you are poor in, you can understand that, you can identify that areas, then you can choose the best career for you yourself, because you know yourself the best other than any counselor or other than anyone else. Now, let's understand and find out some practical steps or practical tips for managing career anxiety. First, what you need to do is you need to break down the big picture. That is, you need to first set small goals for your career. Do not set a very big picture that what you're going to do 5 years down the line from today. Always try to understand what you need to do to attain or to get your first job. Always try to understand what to do when you get your first job, how to groom yourself, how to understand what to do and what not to do from your career area, career path. Try to understand every step in your career. Only then can you start the pathway or start the process of winning in your career path. Focus on what you can control. You do not know that what will happen to the market in future, but you can control your area of knowledge, you can control your skills, you can manage your networking ability. So, what you have in yourself, develop that by gathering information, by gathering knowledge, by gathering career helps, by career counselings, and whatnot, and what else is there today in today's world. And today, there are various applications through which you can understand what is going to happen in your area in the near future. So try and go into deep into those particular things, whichever is in your hands. But do not think what is going to happen to the market. That market will understand. If I am skillful, if I know everything in my area, if I am tech savvy, then I can win any race. That is most important in today's world. Set realistic expectations. Any career you start, rarely you will find that that particular career is linear. It is always having a step up. Every career has a step up. Very rare to rare any career is having a linear path, that always you will be in that particular position and never will your salary improve, or never will your earnings improve, or never will you be successful. So, what you can do is try to understand which area you want to focus on and think one to one next. Maybe suppose you have also chose a career very wrongly, then also you can correct yourself. It is not that 100% people do everything right, isn't it? So if I am doing something wrong, doesn't matter. I will be changing up my mind. I will be changing my career if required, as my time says me, as my time shows me. So whatever I do and what not I do, that does not really matter. What matters is, let's start with thinking of what I have interest in. So always focus on your interest area. Practice self compassion. You will dictate, not your anxiety will dictate. So always try to dictate yourself, not your anxiety to pressurize yourself and dictate you what to do, and what to do. You will be deciding that today what I will be doing for my career, tomorrow what I will do, and the day next what I will do. But it should not be that your anxiety is saying you what will happen in future, what will happen in future. Oh my God, it's so tough. What to do in future? That should not be your situation. Prioritize self care. Eat properly, regulate yourself, exercise properly, maintain a proper mental health, do not pressurize yourself, and always have a sound sleep. Do not take tension, do not be anxious that what is going to happen in future. Future comes, future will come, and future will have ups and downs. How better career you choose, or how poor career you choose. All careers have a rough path in its way. So don't think about that. Think about how to maintain yourself, how to keep healthy, and start working in your career. Talk to yourself, stop social comparison, social media comparison, and link with people who can help you, which is very, very important. Talk to people, talk to your friends, talk to your society, talk to career consultants, talk to counselors. You can go and do what not. But always remember Do not allow anxiety to go on top of your head. If anxiety goes on top of you, then you are finished. You cannot do anything in your career. So always talk free, feel free, and be free. If required, go to career counselors. If required, go to psychological counselors. But take professional help if required. But do not be anxious. Do not let anxiety to kill you. So now let's build a positive and a proactive mindset. So first, what we are going to do is focusing on our strength. Identify your skills, your talents, your accomplishments, and start celebrating them. Build on your strengths and reframe your negative thoughts. So, delete the negative thoughts from your mind and be freshen up. So, always be strong, be positive, be clear in front of you. Challenge the negative thoughts and bring in positive affirmations. Instead of thinking, I can do nothing in my life, what will happen to me, and what I am going to do in my future, it will be everything negative. In spite of doing all these things, start thinking, I am practicing on my area. I have studied good. I have done my homework, and now I will have a good and positive career. Network strategically and gain experience through internships and social networking. Try to gather internships or try to gather small work experiences which will help you earn success in your life. They will help you to understand your area, your career, and therefore it will lead you or it will support you to understand what to do in your career path, how to proceed in your career path. These are very important and very essential. Develop a positive mindset and a strong mindset. So, first, build up your resume, a good resume from if you can do it yourself, if you cannot, take the help of counselors, take the help of psychologists, take the help of jobs counselors or career counselors and build a proper resume. Select the particular area you want to work in and think positively. So always you should have a growth mindset, and once you make your resume, try to focus on the areas in your resume so that you can build on and rebuild on that areas, so that whenever you go for any interviews you can crack through. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Create a career plan, but do not stick to it. Create it, think that yes, this should be my first step, the next step should be this, step 3 should be this, but do not stick to it. Your plan should be flexible and adjustable as and when required. Remember, career anxiety is a vital part in your life, but it does not hold you back. It leads you to your future. It is there because you will grow in future. You are anxious because you want to grow in future. So always think positive, think in a way so that you can succeed in your life. Be confident and be resilient so that you can succeed in your career. If you have found this video helpful, then please like, comment and subscribe the channel, and contact me whenever you have any difficulties or you need any career counseling tips or any career counseling options. I have career counseling options for you. So always feel free to contact me. My number, my contact details is given on the screen and in the description box. So feel free to be there, and I am always there for you all in any problems, in any anxiety related issues. So please don't be afraid, don't feel collapsed. Please come up, open up, be free, and you can succeed in your life, in your career. It doesn't matter whatever stream you are from. So thanks for watching. I hope you have liked this video, and thank you for being here till so long. Thank you. Thank you once again.